In this short video, I'm going to show you how to stretch out the front of the shoulder while using a door frame. We all have them. If not, just use the wall at home. And so what you want to do is, sometimes people will try to stretch both arms at one time. I really recommend doing one arm at a time. That way you can actually focus on really what you're doing, and you may not feel the same tension in both sides. So what you want to do is put your hand up against a door frame. You always want to have your arm at 90 degrees or above. You don't want to be stretching down and through here. And so I usually would recommend start at 90 degrees, anchor the hand, and then what you're going to do is you're going to move away from the wall. Now you should feel some kind of stretch in through the shoulder, in through the front of the shoulder. Hold that for 10-15 seconds and then try a different position. So bring the arm a little higher and then move away from the wall. It will feel different. And then from there you can actually come closer to the wall, bring the arm up, and then come and stretch it through there. If you feel like you need a little bit more stretching through the bicep, the only difference that you'll do is straighten out the arm and then move away from the wall, and then you'll feel a little bit more into the bicep. I usually recommend to do a stretch at least 10 seconds. If you want to do it up to 30 seconds, you can. 3 times, and you want to do both sides. So if you found this helpful, then give us a like, share the button, so that someone else can benefit from this stretch too.